Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making espresso brownie cookies. If you've watched some of my other recipes, you will know, and you have learned, espresso is the key to chocolate. The key! Espresso elevates the chocolate flavor, even if you add just a little bit, whether it's in your chocolate chip cookie, a chocolate cake, anything with chocolate in it. Add espresso powder. I am telling you, you get the most bang for your buck there for sure. We're also making it because, well, it's fun to sing about espresso. Espresso simply does it better. Makes chocolate long for the best. Makes chocolate long for the espresso powder. Espresso powder takes it to the next level. Espresso powder, you're the best. You really are the star of the show. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The second thing you want to do, this recipe has 2 cups. Yes, 2 cups of chocolate chips or chunks in them. So decide what you're going to do. Are you going to use semi-sweet and then some of those big mega chunks in it? Are you going to add dark chocolate chips? I've decided to add semi-sweet dark chocolate, add a little bit of peanut butter chips and some butterscotch chips in there just to keep things interesting. And that espresso powder will bring everything out. Melted butter. Light or dark brown sugar, baking powder. Star of the show, espresso. Salt. Mix together. Add in your eggs. Vanilla paste. Beat until smooth. Cocoa powder. Flour. Stir until combined. Mix in your chocolate chips. Stir to combine. Use a tablespoon scoop or just scoop out with regular tablespoons. Make your balls and place them on your parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Feel free to leave your cookies as mounds just like this, or you could flatten them a bit if you like. Either way, they're going to be so delicious. Into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes until they're just set, and then you let them cool in the pan. Time's up. Ooh, they look great. Let them cool on the baking sheet, and then we get to eat them. Look at these delicious brownie espresso mounds. You can see the other chips that I added in there as well. Let's break it apart. Oh, nice and soft. And oh my goodness, look at all that chocolatiness in there. Let's try it. Wow, wow. I would like for you to think about the best brownie you've ever had. And it is deep, dark chocolate, and it is rich that the espresso powder helps bring out. And you've added in your special chips that you wanted to add in, or just left it with regular semi-sweet or dark chocolate. This is that good. That good. Don't hesitate to make these. In fact, pause the video right now and just go make them. Because they're really that good. If I can make these truly delectable brownie espresso cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, and you saw how quickly these came together, so easy and oh, so good. Well, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram.